to class 9 C language. Today we are going to discuss variables and format specifier. So first we are going to look on the concept of variables. Suppose this is RAM. RAM is random access memory. Like we have 4 GB RAM, we have 2 GB RAM, we have 8 GB RAM, and so on. Consider this as RAM. Okay. So when we declare a variable, it reserves space for that variable. Suppose, for example, let's consider int a. As we have declared a variable named a, here a is the name of the variable. Like we all have names, and we can recognize a person by its name. A variable can be also recognized by its name. So when we declare a variable, it reserves space for that variable name in the memory, which is our RAM. So that is over our declaration part. And when we assign value to a variable, any value, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 0, it can be 34, it can be 1000, etc. So the value gets stored in the RAM. Like, for example, we are assigning a 45. We are assigning a the value 45. So in place of a, the value 45 is stored, and we can get the value by calling out a. Okay. So we will see it in our practicals. So let's get into our practicals. So let's create a new file and save it as variables.c. I'm going to overwrite. Now write the starting template, include stdio.h, which we have discussed earlier in our videos. Okay, so what are variables? Let us understand what are variables. Variables are values that are not fixed and can be changed. Means we can change the values in the variable. So for example, I have declared int a, and now I am writing printf %da, and the value of a is %d, comma a. So you might be thinking, what is %d and why we are writing comma a? So %d is a format specifier, okay, for integer numbers, and we are calling the variable a to get the value 45. So when we declare a integer variable, and if you want to call that variable, we need to give %d because it's a format specifier. So let's look into the rules. A variable should not start with a number. So if we declare 1 num or 2b, then it's an invalid variable name. Variable name can start with letters like A, B, C, D and up to Z, and it can contain words too like table, bench, chair, pencil, etc. But a variable can end with a number, okay? But get that point. Variable cannot start with a number but can end with a number. No reserved keywords, example include, return, get, int, etc. So, okay. So let me show you. If I print the value of bag, then it's showing me 6,000. So what are reserved keywords? Reserved keywords are some keywords which we cannot make variable names. Variable names should be declared above any print statement or commands. So we have to declare a variable before calling it. I hope you understood the rules for declaring a variable, creating a variable. Thank you.